Are you struggling to make Google AdWords actually work for your business? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and we are Softrix. We have been providing digital marketing services globally for the last 17 years, helping businesses scale through proven strategies. Before we dive in, if you need any help with anything that I covered today, you can reach us directly through the numbers above via our website or just drop me a message. Let's get started. Most small businesses waste their first thousands on Google AdWords because they skip the foundation. In 2026, Google's AI bidding is more powerful than ever, but it only works if you set things up correctly. The journey from 0 to 10,000 a month starts with accurate conversion tracking, a clear target CPA or ROAS, and a landing page designed to convert. Enhanced conversions, which send anonymized customer data back to Google, are now essential. They dramatically improve the reporting accuracy and give smart bidding the fuel it needs to learn. Once the basics are in place, structure your account around the high intent search traffic. Begin with the campaigns focused on your core services, using phrase and the exact match keywords to maintain control while the algorithm learns. Broad match was become far more effective thanks to Google's AI, but it should only be introduced when you have at least 50 conversions in the past month. Protect your budget with negative keywords from the day one. Exclude terms like free, job, DIY, and review your search terms report weekly to get irrelevant traffic out. Writing the ads that convert is about giving Google's responsive search ads the right ingredients. Instead of filling the headlines with the generic phrases, create a mix that covers the keyword benefits, credibility, urgency, and the differentiators. This ensures the algorithm can test combinations that actually resonate with your audience. Assets, formerly called the extensions, are no longer optional. Site links, call out, phone number, location links, the images, and the promotions all boost the click-through rate and then improve the ad rank. One critical setting in 2026 is disabling the automatically created assets, which otherwise allow Google to write the headlines that may not fit your brand or the legal requirements. Smart bidding should be approached in phases. Start with the maximize clicks and bid cap to gather data without overspending. Once you reach 30 to 50 conversion, move to target CPA or the ROAS, setting your target slightly higher than your ideal to give the algorithm room to learn. At scale, portfolio bid strategies allow multiple campaigns to share the data, improving the efficiency across the account. Performance Max is powerful but should only be added once your search campaigns are profitable. It runs across the Google surfaces like the search, shopping, YouTube, display, maps, Gmail, discovery, using the assets you provide. In 2026, search themes have replaced the audience's signals as the primary intent input, and without them you risk wasting budget. So launch the PMax only when you have strong creative assets, at least one video, and the customer list to guide the AI. Scaling comes down to 4 levers: gradually increasing the budget on campaigns that are already profitable, expanding the keywords by going deeper into the long tail variations, improving the conversion rates on your landing pages, and adding the remarketing layers to stay visible during the decision window. So ongoing optimization is what keeps the account healthy. Weekly reviews, search terms, impression share, and the auction insights. Monthly, audit your top spending keywords, refresh the ad copies, and check quality scores, geographic performance, and the device splits. Seasonal updates to the ad copy and offers keep campaigns relevant, while quarterly reviews of the attribution and the expansion opportunities ensure long-term growth. The blueprint is simple but powerful. powerful. Setup tracking and the enhanced conversion. Start with the phrase and the exact match search campaigns. Follow the smart bidding ladder. Add performance max only when ready, and scale with the 4 levers. Implement even half of this and you will be head of the most small businesses running Google Ads in 2026. If you are thinking about starting your business and have no idea how to run the ads, or if you have the campaigns running but want to scale them profitably, drop me a message or contact us directly. We will be able to help you guide. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more proven digital marketing insights. So I will see you in the next video.